Webflow review, details, pricing and features. What is Webflow? Webflow is an online visual web development solution that allows its users to create and modify websites that requires no coding knowledge. Basically, with Webflow, you can develop and build a website and see the progress of your work in real time. It also allows you to easily add design elements to your website, and see exactly how it looks like, and make the necessary adjustments, without needing to comb through so many lines of code. It is an intuitive tool that makes website building easier, faster and even more cost-effective. If you're a web designer by profession, Webflow is the only toolkit you will need in your arsenal. Webflow effectively removes the need for hiring overpriced design professionals, and efficiently optimizes your creative workflow and build processes. Furthermore, Webflow also offers scalable hosting services that provide quick, reliable and structured full-scale features and functions, including but not limited to a built-in content delivery network or CDN, a built-in SSL or secure sockets layer at no extra cost. Webflow products and feature. Web design, create dynamic and highly interactive websites even with zero coding knowledge. 2. CMS, easily create, develop, modify and publish fully responsive websites all within one system. 3. Webflow templates, choose from a wide range of over 1,000 web design templates which you can completely customize to fit your brand or your personal preference. 4. SEO, manage your website's search engine optimization with dynamic tools with ease. 5. E-commerce, Webflow allows creators to build distinctive and powerful e-commerce pages that promises unique customer purchasing experiences. 6. Security, Webflow understands how critical website security and takes the necessary steps to ensure proper certification and compliance. 7. Hosting, Webflow's hosting infrastructure is fully equipped to handle millions of site views per day and a system that does all the work for you. 8. Editor, quickly edit or add content directly right onto your web page without having to deal with a complicated and often confusing backend CMS. When you are done, publishing your updated site is as easy as clicking a button. 9. Support, Webflow has an abundance such as Webflow University, blogs and forums that can help you address any kind of issue you may encounter with development and hosting. Webflow pros and cons. Webflow is without a doubt a game changer when it comes to web development and hosting, that gave way to quite a fair number of amazing partnerships with different creatives and companies, such as Upwork, Dell, Zendesk and Rakuten to name a few. Perhaps one of the best advantages or pros of working with Webflow is it gives you the creative freedom and ability to build impressively distinct, intuitive and eye-catching websites, whether you are extremely versed in code or have zero experience and knowledge of it. From development to management, and as well as hosting, Webflow is ready with its tools, solutions and knowledge base, to ensure that your sites deliver a great user experience to your site visitors, target audience and existing repeat customers. Although there is quite a bit of a learning curve when it comes to Webflow, the overflowing number of resources and support, definitely more than makes up for the need to learn a few basic things. Moreover, Webflow is a relatively new player in the web development and hosting landscape, so new features and functions are still being added and existing issues are being ironed out. Webflow pricing. Webflow's account plans have a free-to-use forever option, which gives you access to all of Webflow's features, and the ability to host your web page on a Webflow subdomain. However, if you wish to add more functionality and freedom, create collaborative environments for your design team, and work on more projects, then you can choose from individual pricing plans and team plans and their respective features. Hosting come in site and e-commerce plans, which allows you to choose the right kind of hosting plan tailored to your business needs.